My name is Elena. I am 36 years old. I live in a small town near Lisbon, Portugal. I am a quiet woman. I do not talk much. I am patient. I am kind. And I work as a house cleaner. Every day, I clean other people's homes. I clean floors. I wash dishes. I fold clothes. My work is honest. But my life is hard. I earn little money. Sometimes I feel tired inside. Sometimes I feel invisible. When I see rich people, I feel small. I think, is this my whole life? Will anything ever change? But I never stop working. I never stop learning from my eyes. One house is different. The owner is an old woman. Her name is Mrs. Clara. She runs a small online business. She sells handmade home products. I clean her house every week. I watch her work quietly. I see her packing boxes. I see her writing notes. I see her talking to customers. I do not understand everything, but I observe. One day, she asks me softly, "Elena, can you help me pack today?" I feel nervous, but I say yes. That day, I pack boxes slowly. I listen carefully. I follow instructions. Mrs. Clara notices something. She sees that I am careful. She sees that I am honest. She sees that I do not rush. From that day, she asks me to help again. One day a week. Then 2 days. She teaches me small things. Very small things. How to check quality. How to keep records. How to talk politely. I still clean houses. But now I also learn. After 1 year, Mrs. Clara becomes sick. She cannot work much. She looks at me and says, "Elena, I trust you." She gives me responsibility. She pays me a little more. I feel scared, but I try. I make mistakes. I learn slowly, but I never give up. After 2 years, I saved some money. Very little money, but enough to start small. I rent a tiny room. I make simple products. I sell them online. With Mrs. Clara's help. I work in the morning. I work at night. I rest very little. After 3 years, my name becomes known. People like my work. They trust my quality. After 5 years, my business grows big. I hire other women. Women like me. Quiet. Hardworking. Invisible to the world. Now, I own a company. I am not proud of money. I am proud of growth. I remember my old self, cleaning floors, thinking life will never change. Today, I know something. Life changes slowly. Not in one day, but step by step. If you are working in homes, if you feel small, if you feel tired, please remember a small chance, a kind person, and your patience can change everything. Just do not stop learning. Do not stop believing. And do not stop showing up. Your 5 years can change your whole life.